This week we head down to Folly Beach.
Hey, what's going on? It's Captain Ducworth here, about to do a little cruise. We're gonna go see some cool stuff right here in Folly River. Probably gonna see some dolphins. I would say 100% chance of that.
All right.
We're gonna see some cool birds. We're gonna study the salt marsh a little bit. We'll see the Morris Island Lighthouse, Morris Island, Folly River, and who knows, we might have some surprises.
So tell me about your boat.
This is a 2006 Sea Pro. It's a bay boat powered by a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. Best boat and best motor made. This is a pretty versatile boat. It's good for fishing, cruising. It's comfortable, nice cushions. But if you want to get it dirty and go fishing, you can pull these cushions off. Got a little trolling motor on here for cheating. Helps a lot with the fishing. If you get a little spray, it's not my fault. It's the wind's fault.
You're not going to bother either one of us. We're good.
We have white shrimp that come in from the ocean. You can catch them with these big cast nets. They're taped cast nets, and they tape them so that when you cast them, the tape keeps the net open as it falls, so it doesn't close until it gets to the bottom and you pull on the drawstring. Anyway, it can be pretty productive if you're at the right place at the right time. Kind of like fishing.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
Spartina grass is in something we call pluff mud. It's like the gooeyest mud you're gonna find. If you're gonna go get a mud bath, that's what you're gonna be using.
Someday, someday,
Say 8 years old.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime.
But Morris Island is uninhabited, thank goodness. It's a pretty good sized island. It played a significant role in the Civil War. And this is the Morris Island Lighthouse that was built in 1876. I'm a little concerned about this leaning. It leans to the north, and like I told you earlier, they attribute that to well, some people do, to the earthquake in 1880. As we get a little closer, you're going to be able to see that we got some substantial cracks. I think we've raised a lot of money to protect the lighthouse. I just don't know how the hell you do it, right?
Yeah.
Like what do you do?
What's the company that puts the jacks underneath the house?
Jennifer has got soaked wet.
I'm good.
What's going on, boys? Girls? Oh, Ben, right here. Hardly working. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the cruise, Todd and Jennifer. If you're interested in coming and checking out this beautiful area, Folly River, Morris Island Lighthouse, check out my website. It's www.ducworth, Ducworth, fishingcharters.com. Yeah, check it out. Come see me. We'll do the same trip or switch it up and do something different.
What hours do you operate?
Basically Monday through Sunday, all day. As long as the sun's out, I'm working, so we can figure it out.